खुश तो बहुत हूँ आज, and that's because the Mi TV Stick is here. After teasing us for weeks, Mi TV Stick finally makes its debut in India today, a direct competitor to the Fire Stick. In this video, I'll share all the details, including the price and availability and who exactly is this device for. But before that, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss an update. Also follow me on my social media handles for more tech info. This is your friend Tech Singh. Let's get started. So firstly, the Mi TV Stick is very identical to the Fire Stick. Simple dual tone black grey design with an HDMI port on one side and a micro USB port on the other. A micro USB cable is provided in the box which will power the stick. The Mi TV Stick's prime objective is to make your non-smart TV smart. In fact, I know a lot of people that have smart TVs but they aren't happy either with the interface or just don't have enough app support. This should be perfect for them too. The Mi TV Stick is kind of a younger sibling to the Mi Box 4K. The reason I'm saying younger is because the Mi Stick lacks 4K and has a max output of Full HD. But it's not a deal breaker for sure because the lower price compensates for it. We'll talk about the price a little later. The Mi TV Stick will connect with any LCD, LED or even a monitor that has an HDMI port. For old CRTVs, you can buy an AV to HDMI converter which is easily available on Amazon. Yes, you can even make your old dabba into a super strong abba. Bad joke, but you know what I mean. Old CRTVs to smart TVs. Wow. So setup is clearly its biggest trump card. Plug, connect to the internet and go. In fact, this is what makes it so portable as well. Once set up, you are greeted with the Android TV OS which comes built in with Chromecast. So now you can cast content directly from your phone to the TV as well. It has Google Play Store which has over 5,000 plus apps designed for the OS. Yes, you also get Netflix and Prime Video support. The device ships with the Mi TV's most loved remote with the same minimalistic design, light and easy to use. It also has Netflix and Amazon Prime hotkeys for quick access. Google Voice Assistant is also available directly on the remote. The only thing I feel is missing on the remote is the mute button, but I've spoken about it enough and I've kind of adapted to using the volume button to mute it now. Talking about so many apps, it's going to consume a lot of your data. Well, no. Xiaomi knows that many of us use our phone's mobile hotspot to stream content, so data consumption needs to be taken care of, and they did. The Mi Stick comes with Google's Data Saver, which basically reduces data consumption and streams almost 3 times more content when it's turned on. Trust me, it comes very handy when you know you have limited mobile data. You can also set it to give you alerts when a certain amount of data is consumed. Simply love it. Something we don't see in the Fire Stick at all. I know, some geeks like me want to know the specs, so here they are. A53 Cortex 2 GHz quad-core CPU, Mali 450 GPU, 2 GB RAM and 8 GB internal storage, Bluetooth 4.2 so you can connect your favorite wireless headphones very easily, dual band Wi-Fi 2.4 and 5 GHz, and output resolution maxes at 1080p. Wow, genuinely impressive on the specs sheet. The price. The Mi TV Stick is priced at 2,799, which is straight 1200 rupees cheaper than the Fire Stick Full HD. However, I have a feeling that the Fire Stick will be available for 2,999 during the Amazon Prime sale, which is when the price difference will actually blur. The Fire TV Stick has its own perks though. I've said it before and I'm saying this again. But Mi TV has clearly nailed it with the specs and pricing. The only downside is no 4K on the Mi TV Stick. But for those looking for 4K, your best option is the Mi Box 4K. I'm really looking forward to making a complete detailed video on the Mi Stick this week. So guys, better subscribe if you haven't. The Mi TV Stick first sale is going to be on 7th of August at 12 noon on Flipkart and Mi.com. Trust me, if you want to make your dumb non-smart TV smart, this is easily going to be your best and most budget-friendly option without a doubt. I'll leave the links below in the description. If you like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. Write down in the comments and let me know if there are any questions regarding the Mi Stick. I'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.